Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Armorcase Zippos. Armorcase Zippos are a time and a half thicker than regular Zippo case. So we have some amazing design in our store. So you can see in the bottom they're stamped with an A. You can read a little bit from the description here. This is my favorite piece. This is a pretty realistic eye. So this is how you know it's an Armorcase. It has an A in the bottom here. Pretty amazing detail in this one. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.